Curly girls probably have to know how to trim up their bangs because they have so much fun with them, and it's kind of like they grow in quick.
They do. I YouTubed it one time and I was like, I'm gonna try it, and I did it, and I feel like since then, it's funny, I'll like text my friends and I'll be like, I just like trim my bangs before work, or like, oh, we're going out, I gotta trim my bangs, like tell me if they look bad. So
you look great.
Oh
yeah, you're doing a really
hopefully,
good job.
like I feel like I have a hard time like trimming them like around here, like
connecting them.
But
I feel like you nailed it.
Oh, thanks.
I mean that's a really, really cute ponytail with some like fun framing coming out.
I kind of like didn't really know how to like take care of my hair as like a teen. And I started watching like curly hair videos and like trying to figure it out here and there. I think even still now I'm kind of like, I don't really know what I'm like.
You think
doing.
you're in the right zone.
Yeah, I
can dial it in for you. That's
I'm like
honestly, it's 95% of our content.
Yeah.
it's like this is what you do, this is what you don't do. So I can probably clear anything up for you real quick. I'm like how small of a window can we make it? How simple can it be for you? And when people wind up going, all right, I'll trust the process and I'll lose all that stuff and I'll just do this, their hair they just see it. I mean,
I was using like Can't 2. I didn't like hate it, but I was like, I felt like it was doing okay, but I also didn't really know like what to use.
If you have no reference point, it's fine. But you're gonna have a reference point.
When I started like watching curly hair videos and stuff like that, maybe that was probably around when I like started to be like, I gotta take better care of my hair. And then
what made you say that? What were you seeing that was like, this isn't it?
It was like dry. So they just didn't look like, I guess, healthy per se, right? Like healthy is just like the word, like.
Yeah.
And so now I only wash it like once a week.
Perfect. I like once a week. What are you shampooing with?
Now I use Intersense. What about the hydrating one? Because I'm like, maybe that'll kind of like help give my curls some life because they look a little like they need some help.
Do you sleep with it wet?
No.
Do you straighten it ever?
No.
Never. Are you putting any straight up oils in there?
No.
Cool, you're good. When was the last time you cut it?
June or July. It's been a while. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Probably just need a haircut. Yeah, because you're pretty triangular.
Yeah.
If you're not allergic to anything, I am going to show you a different shampoo set in there. The hydration one's really, really heavy. It's a lot of oils. There are some people that it's perfect for. I do not think that you're one of them. I think if anything, it can weigh you down. What do you want to do with the cut?
I kind of like wanted to keep some length, but I'm also at a spot where I want to try something new and like do kind of like a chop. Actually, I have a picture.
Ooh, that's so fun.
So
that we can do. I mean, we can bump you up there.
How do you think like it would look given like how my curls are though? Because my curls don't look the same as hers.
She's got a little tighter pattern, but it's just getting it as big and as round as possible with that short stack.
Which I feel like is something that I kind of struggle with too, is like getting that volume when I style.
Well, we knock it that short, you ain't gonna have any issue.
Because I was good with either like keeping the length and like adding a lot more layers, or like doing the short little bob.
Do you want to feel different, or do you want to just improve upon what you're sitting on? Because I can go either way.
Either one is fine.
Okay.
That's probably like, you're like, oh, come on girl, pick one. But
I just want to make sure you're happy when you leave and not like, I wish I'd have done something more, or I wish I'd have done something less.
Honestly, I'd be comfortable with either one.
Bella, what do we want to do?
Do you want to see what the picture looks like?
She said bald. Get the clippers out.
This is what the picture looks like.
Oh, that is so cute.
Bella will always opt in for knocking it off.
Okay, let's knock it off. Let's knock it off. Yeah.